Hey guys!
Please wait till the end.
As you know, we got some snow, so we're gonna get to ripping this parking lot because it's not plowed. And they just said, you know what? We're gonna leave this unplowed for the WRX boys. So let's start this off, and we're just gonna start ripping.
I just got dusted. Cool. Me trying to get content, double.
Well guys, the Subaru is, I don't know, maybe smoking a little bit. Just Subaru things, I guess. Let's hope that she's not on fire, because I'm not popping the hood. Obviously, we had a lot of fun drifting tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what it's really going to consist of, but hopefully there's a lot of cool drifting clips. And also, if your car doesn't look like this after you're done snow drifting and your license plate's not covered like that, then I don't know what to tell you. Man, look at that. That's how you know you did good. Oh, also, right here, you gotta have snow right in the back here. Look at this. Ton. Same thing. You already know the vibe. Fixed the hood gap on the Subi, so she's good now. Hood fits fire. This is my first time driving an all-wheel drive car in the winter, and I gotta give it props. This thing was honestly so fire, and I'm excited to drive it again tomorrow. So catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment for more. A lot more videos coming with the bugeye, and peace. Yo, what's going on, guys? If you guys are watching the outro, please watch one of my other videos if you guys haven't already. Be sure to stay tuned. We're gonna be posting a lot of bugeye content.